Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account step by step. This is useful if you want a refresh start or simply want to take a break from Instagram completely. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Instagram app like this and then just log in into your account and then just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then just tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on account center, and in this account center just tap on personal details, this one, and then just go to account ownership and control and then just tap on deactivations or deletions like this. And then on here you will see two options, deactivate and delete permanently. With deactivate, it temporarily hides your account. You can reactivate anytime, and then delete permanently will remove your account completely. Once deleted, you can get it back after a certain period. If you want to delete your account permanently, just tap on delete account and then just tap on continue. And then Instagram will ask you the reason why you want to delete it. Just select one from the list. And then after that, just tap on continue again. And then continue again. And then on here you can download your info, your account info before delete the account. And after that, just tap on continue again. And then just enter your password. Like this. And then the last you will get confirm page again like this. Instagram will tell you that your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days from now. And during this 30 days period, your account is deactivated but not yet deleted, which means you can cancel the deletions if you change your mind. And after 30 days, everything will be removed permanently, including photos, messages, and followers. And then next, just tap on delete account if you want to delete the account. And okay, that's it. You have successfully requested to delete your Instagram account. Just remember, if you are unsure, you can always choose deactivate first. Okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.